Hello my YouTube friends, Dave Wilson here. I have the RatRig 3.1 conversion almost done. So I've just got to finish the wiring up and get the Eva hot end mounted. But I have all the the new bearings installed, the new printed parts, and new belts put on, new bed supports. So it's coming along. Hopefully I'll have it done today. But what I'm working on is I made a new design for the OmniaDrop mount for a RatRig. So I'm going to get some pictures of that and post it on probably printables. But I really like it a lot better than what I've been using before. So this is a picture of all the parts, sort of an exploded diagram of it. And I want to get some pictures of that to post on there. And I'm going to put some light bars on this and a camera mount when I get it done. So this one just wasn't working too well, so I've got a new one I'm going to try to put on and see how that works. But hopefully I'll have it running pretty quickly. Thanks for watching.